Hey everyone! Today, we're going to create an essential dashboard feature, a single-click clear filter button using Power BI bookmarks. This lets users instantly reset the entire dashboard view. 1. Create and configure the bookmark. The bookmark captures the desired clean state of your report. 1. Open panes. Go to the View tab and open the Bookmarks pane. 2. Clear filters. Ensure no filters are applied on the report page. 3. Add bookmark. Click Add in the Bookmarks pane and rename the new bookmark to Clear Filter. 4. Update settings. With Clear Filter highlighted, click the three-dot menu, ... next to it and select Update. Critically, ensure you enable the following options. Data captures the filter state, in this case the empty, clear state. Display captures visual visibility. Current page limits the scope to the active page. And All Visuals guarantees every visual on the page is reset. Next, insert and link the icon. We link an image or icon to the bookmark, turning it into an interactive button. 1. Insert image. Go to Insert/Image and select a suitable icon, e.g. a reset or clear filter PNG. 2. Turn action on. Select the inserted image. In the Format Image pane, scroll down and turn Action on. 3. Assign bookmark. Set the type to Bookmark and select Clear Filter from the Bookmark drop-down list. Next, test the filter clearing functionality. 1. Apply filters. Apply one or more filters to your report. 2. Activate. To test, control-click the image icon you just linked. 3. Verify. All filters on the page should be instantly removed, returning the dashboard to the clean state captured by the bookmark. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.